Tonight, or this morning, we're gonna make a tequila sunrise. It's tacky but delicious. Created in the 70s, of course. But I think we should bring it back because it's one of my favorites. It takes a fair amount of tequila. I'm making 2 drinks, don't forget. Because there's a lot of orange juice in it. We're gonna shake together the orange juice and the tequila first, and then we're gonna create our sunrise. Yes, it has grenadine. Yes, it has maraschino cherries. That's okay. We're on vacation. We're drinking our tequila sunrise. We may have been out all night, or maybe we just woke up. Who knows? We're gonna pour this over. Ice, of course. It's kind of like a screwdriver, but much better because I'm a tequila fan, if you didn't know that already. Now, yes, grenadine is going in. About a tablespoon. And we're gonna try to create the look of a sunrise. Or maybe it's a sunset. Like I said, depending on what you've done. It's delicious. It's pretty. It has cherries with a stem. It's a tequila sunrise. Cheers.